Hello, guys.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm your friend, Little Dragon.
What are you doing here?
Dragon Boat Festival is my day.
Okay, guys. The Dragon Boat Festival is coming. So, Little Dragon, do you know what I'm going to do? We are going to make a dragon boat.
I want to make it too.
Okay, let's start.
First, let's cut a rectangle with your carton. Second, draw the dragon head on the paper. Draw a mouth with teeth too. Then, draw the dragon's back. Third, let's cut them out. Time to make the dragon head. Now you can open your drink box, pick up your straw, and cut the end, put it in your drink box, and stick it together. Stick your dragon head on the straw. Now, cut the center of the end of your dragon boat, draw the tail on, cut it out, and then we're finished.
We've made a dragon boat.
Oh, it's so cute. I want to race with my friend.
Where are you going, Little Dragon? No, don't go.
Bye.
We hope you have a very good Dragon Boat Festival. Bye-bye.